This is a boat. Water. We're docking at James Islands. Going to Bogle. Right there, look at that. Not that first one, that one over there. Huh.
That's it, just over there.
Yeah, that's what she said as soon as she gets out.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're docking at St.
Yeah, we got a lot of
Okay, and then we're heading to Fogo.
Yeah.
Which is where we're getting off.
Really nice.
There's the main area. I'm just gonna go see what Nan's doing. Okay, so yep, we're docking over there. You might actually be able to hear me now. Don't know if you could hear me before. Okay, here's the quick way through. The storm's hard home. Don't know why they made that. Okay, yeah, this is a really nice boat. Or ferry, whatever you want to call it. So, this is having on Sunday, September 3rd or 2nd, whatever this Sunday is, 2nd or 3rd, either one of those, or 4th, I don't know. Well, yeah, so this will be posted tomorrow.
Yeah, pretty nice.
It's the other old boat there.
Okay.
Wait for us, fella.
Okay, bye.
We'll stop somewhere.
Yeah.
Wait somewhere.
Oh, the door will be closing.
Hey. Who's closing on you?
It'd be the horse door. Okay, that makes sense now. To the car. Beep. You should find it soon enough. Where's it to? Okay. We are back into the car. Yeah. We shall undock.
I got that outfit back there.
Yeah.
Hey.
What the heck?
Hey.
What?
Good.
Why?
On our way back
Why?
to the boat.
Hey, look, because
Why?
mountain coming up.
Why?
Very big.
So yeah, we're going back to the
Oh,
boat.
it should make some blueberry
There
ice
was
cream.
no
Is that
video
what
of
you got
us
ice cream left?
going
Make some blueberry.
somewhere, but
He might make
we're heading back to the boat. Well, we're back on boat again. Yeah, there's the sunset. A bit late this time. There's the moon. Smoke, you can hardly see. Yeah, we're still docked at the moment. Just getting back on from Fogo. And we're going back. Yeah. I think that's a lifeboat. I'm just gonna head back down, okay?
Oh, you go back down?
Yeah, I'll be back up soon enough. Sooner or later. Okay. Are we moving? No, we're not moving. Okay. Yeah, there's the other boat. I'm pretty sure it's kind of not working at the moment. Are we moving? Keep on feeling like we're moving. What the heck? Are we moving? No. Okay. Final answer. There's definitely a lifeboat. Here's this door again. Yeah. Oh, just heading back in. I'll be out soon or later. Just like I said earlier. Yeah, back down here again. Yeah, that way it's back down to the parties and stuff. Yeah. Pretty nice. Map. Oh, there was a boop. No, not the.
May I have your attention, please? In the event of an emergency, you will hear an alarm consisting of 7 short blasts
I heard this
followed by
earlier.
1 prolonged blast on the ship's whistle or alarm. All passengers must proceed to the passenger lounge where you will be met by a crew member who will lead you through the emergency. In the event evacuation is required, you will be given a life jacket and directed to the lifeboat stations located port and starboard side of deck 6. Life jackets are located in the life jacket locker next to the serving area and in the passenger lounge. If you require further information regarding this safety message, please refer to our safety signage located throughout the vessel or ask any crew member for assistance.
Okay.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay. Okay, bye. Yeah. That's all it really is. Wait, why am I going this way? Should go down this way. Oh yeah, over here. There's a bunch of TVs that I turn on. And then we have a little boat inside a boat. Boatception. There's a boat inside a boat. Wait, are we moving? I don't know. Are we? Well, this is this little shed house thing. The little boat's house. This way. I think we're moving now. I'm gonna check. Well, that was open for the car, so that's definitely closed. Oh, we're moving. We're definitely moving. Goodbye, other boat. Bye. Bye, thanks. Might go up a bit higher. That's basically everything in this boat. Goodbye, other boat. Bye. Oh geez, we're moving fast. Well. Smoke. Bye. Okay. Oh, update you. Oh jeez. Gotta find somewhere where there's no sound. Okay, this is good. I'll update you once we get somewhere or something happens. I don't know. Anyways. Oh, we're back again. Yeah. It was a nice trip. It's pretty dark right now. Yeah. There's a street light. So, yeah. Living room. That might be the end of this video. I don't know. Honestly. Yeah. I think that'll be the end of this video. Oh yeah, should have mentioned this way earlier. The reason this would have been a plushie adventures episode, but I kind of forgot my plushies. Last night I said to myself I was gonna bring them, but kind of forgot to bring them last night. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.